Thank you for taking the time to tour a video offered by Christy Bushell. You may reach her at 251-223-1111 to schedule a viewing of this property. This home has convenience and deeded access to Bayou Street John. Located at the entrance of Ono Island, enjoy the privacy of the West End. This nearly 20 years old home has been completely renovated and shows like it is brand new. Tile and wood flooring throughout, new stainless steel appliances and all new finishes. In addition to convenience and security, this home has a split floor plan, sun porch, covered parking, and a workshop area. Monthly expenses: power average $100 minus $150, water is $22 minus $35, sewer $42, garbage $84, annual expenses: grinder pump inspection $220, termite inspection $308, flood insurance $502, dwelling incorporated, wind, hail and liability $3,899.74, HOA $940, Ono Island Fire Board $295. Learn about the association at http://www.anoislanpoa.org. Anoisland Poa feature HTML. Feature id equals 99 and item id equals 258. Average utilities: